A portal is delivers services. You apply, pay and receive approval. This is the force of a portal which we have done. Website. What happens when you click? A page opens. What happens to a portal? A workflow starts. Your application moves from the desk to desk with defined timelines and you can track it. That is the difference. Payments. It is not possible on a website. It's just a page. Built-in payment gateways have been developed under a portal. Fees can be paid, rents and premiums can be paid, and receipts you get online having paid that. Legal validity. Pages are not documents. E-sign and digital signatures are valid. Approvals are issued through it are legally valid documents. Data and security. In a website, you don't hold any record. There is no basic security. But portal holds every estate, details about that, whether it is a plot, whether it is lease, whether it is payment record with full audit trail, STQC security audited. The simple test of a website and a portal. Can you read about the office? Can you get a service without visiting the office? This is the two things. Without visiting the office, you get all the services. So it's not a website as people are claiming. You have spent so much of money, and it has been done by following all the particular things.